This is a paper, and today I'm going to draw a full-size character. So as usual, I'm going to start off by sketching. First of all, let's sharpen the pencil because it's dull. Alright, this begins when I was just drawing 3 random characters and I found one character interesting. So I finally decided to make a crazy detailed drawing of this character. I cleaned my desk and started sketching directly. I started off with rough sketch and then went into detailing. This took me around some minutes and I was ready for inking. So when I was done with inking, I started off with coloring and I want you to leave a like. Enjoy the time lapse.
All the voices in my head getting louder. They told me not to tell you, but they're itching for the powder. Got that blurry vision, seeing double. Yeah, I love you, but you're all trouble. I'd be lying if I said I didn't love it. Carved a couple holes in my heart, so fuck it. And with all the chemicals, whoa, now.
So with that, I spent nearly 4 to 5 hours for making this video and I think it's worth it. Bye, see you in the next one. And make sure to subscribe.